All right, here we go, programmers. Here's how we're going to get this done. We're going to come down here. We're going to type in VEX code ID. We need the VEX code to open. And then we need to be Launchpad. Inside of Launchpad, we are looking to go to come on, Launchpad. Go to our robotics class. And then at the top of robotics, all right, we have this coding section. All right, we have two. These two don't matter to us today. This does not matter to us today. This is the guy that matters today. This is the guy that matters. All right, so we're going to click on this. It's going to come down here. We're going to click on download. We're going to come to VEX. We do not update, dismiss. We go file, open, downloads, open it up. When we do, all right, when we open it up, we're going to have our robot plugged into the computer into a USB. We're going to have our robot turned on. And when we do, this brain becomes green. And that's what we want. All right. We do not touch any of this stuff here today. We don't touch any of that. All we want to touch today is this number, this 1,000. All right. These 1,000. We want to change these numbers to 1,700. Change them both to 1,700. Our brain should be green. All right, and then we hit download. Oh, this guy right here. We got to change this guy to 7. And then we hit download. It is going to compile our project, download it to our device, and we are ready to go to the table and check it.